If you can't log into your router using 192.168.1.1, try these steps. First, make sure your device is connected to the router's Wi-Fi network or using an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and type https://192.168.1.1 in the address bar. If the login page doesn't open, try routerlogin.net instead. Clear your browser cache or open a different web browser. Make sure your device is not connected to a VPN or proxy. Restart your router by unplugging the power cable. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Once the router is online, try accessing the login page again. If the page still doesn't open, connect your computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable. As a last option, reset the router to factory settings and try logging in again.